up, gentlemen? Hope you're having a great and fantastic day. Welcome back to the Scott Barnes Show. And in today's video, I wanted to show you guys how I'm able to straighten my beard without using any heat from the hair dryer or the straightener. Just some things that we're gonna need is just a round barrel brush and just a towel to dry as much things off as we can. That being said, let's grab that towel. I've got a little bit of wetness in my hair and I got a little bit of wetness under my chin here. So if we can get our hair and our beard relatively dry in that 80% ratio, we're good to go. Now what I want you guys to do is get your barrel brush, and as you can see, my hair is almost okay. We can fix this pretty easily. But my beard is a mangled mess. This is getting out of the shower. We're straight out for the day. And just to show you guys, just with the brush, we can do a pretty good job taming it. But we still have this fluff and rough that's going on. So what we're gonna do is, and I think that's the most important part of the process, is using beard butter. Now today we're gonna be using Live Bearded. They're executive, and just use yourself a little bit of an amount. We don't need to go crazy or overboard. The beard balm is gonna do it for ourselves, the beard butter I should say. Yeah, get it nice and warm, and we're going to apply it into our beard. And we want to go a little heavy on application and trying to get every square inch of beard hair that we can. All right, there's still a little moisture in the back, but that's okay. I think if we just work it into the whole beard, just give it probably about a good 30-second work in, because we're taking the place of the hair dryer and using the heat of our hands. Now what I want to do is I want to pull out my beard, just kind of give it a little bit of volume, so that way when I brush it down, everything will be nice and straight. So we'll take that barrel brush, we're going to start from the top, and we're not going to do too much of a twirl. And there we go. Look how straight and flat that is. There we go. We don't need too much of a twirl. Just as we go down, just give it a little bit of a backspin. And look at that. We've got a nice straight beard with no fluff. We don't have very many curly hairs in there. And if you got any divots, we can just scroll down and then do a reverse push on the barrel, and that'll get rid of any divots that you have in your beard. And this is an easy trick for you guys that are on vacation, don't have your hair dryer or your equipment with you. So when you're getting out of the shower, make sure to dry your beard as much as you can, especially with your hair. So get it to about that 80 to 90% dry, get out that balm and just work it in and use your brush as you can. But I want to show you guys a quick and simple video. Like I said, if you don't have any of your heat, your tools to work with you, as long as you got a comb and maybe some product, you're good to go. So a quick video for you guys today. Like always, like and subscribe. We'll check you out on Friday. Maybe we'll do a live stream. Love you guys like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!